Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to design this beautiful infographic, slide in PowerPoint. Okay, so let's begin. First we'll start by drawing this shape. Set its height and width to 3, hold the Control key down and make another copy of it. Remove the roundness of this site and rotate it 45 degrees for rotating a shape. Right-click on it and select Format Shape, input the rotation value here, or use the easier way rotated from here. But keep in mind, for precise rotation, you should hold the Shift key down to rotate it 15 degrees, increase its height a little bit, and adjust it like this. Select this shape first and then this shape. Go to the Shift Format tab and in the Merge Shape section, choose Subtract, rotate it and put it in this position, make another copy of it and rotate it 45 degrees. Then put it in this position. You should repeat this process for all the shapes. It is better to zoom in to adjust the shape precisely. Now select all of them to the center. Select all of them, press Ctrl G to group them and align them to the middle and center. Then, by holding the Ctrl and Shift keys, you can change their sizes as well. Let me fill the background with a gradient fill. Choose black for this, and for this one choose a lighter color. Make sure the radial type is selected and its direction is from center. By dragging this handles, you can adjust the gradient. Also change each shape's color. These are the color codes that I have used. Now we have to add a drop shadow to each shape according to its direction. For example, for this one, I am going to choose this direction. Set the blur amount to 50 and distance to 30, maybe 50. For transparency is better for this shape. Choose a drop shadow from this direction with the same properties. Repeat this for all the shapes. Now select all of them and remove the outlines. In this part, we have to add icons to this slide from the Insert tab. Click on the icons and choose your suitable icons. Then insert them, drag each icon to its positioned. Then you can change the color of icons. Now you have to group each icon with its shape. Select both of them and by pressing Ctrl G, group them. Repeat this for all the shapes. But maybe after you grouped your shapes, you see something like this which is so annoying to solve this problem. So we have to reorder the group, so open the selection pane and rename each group. And reorder it, for example, this one is the first group. So change its name to 1 and drag it to the top. This one is 2, drag it exactly under the first group. Repeat this for all of them. Now all the groups are reordered. Click on this icon to add your title. In this case, I'm using Objective font style. Type the number in one text box, description in another. Select both of them and group them. By using the eyedropper tool, you can choose this color for the number. Repeat this for all the shapes. Then we'll duplicate this slide. In the first slide, we should drag all the contents to the outside, but keep in mind you should drag each shape on a specific pass. For example, this one should be drag on this pass, or this one and this pass. Repeat this for all the shapes. Also adjust text boxes like this. Now add your main title in this slide at the end, select the second slide and add Morph Transition to it. And you are done.